Hello, beautiful people. Today we are going to learn Accounting Standard 4 Contingencies and Events Occurring After the Balance Sheet Date. This standard comes to applicability on 1st April 1998. So, without much delay, let's get started. The first and the foremost thing that you have to understand here is the meaning of contingency. So, what is contingency? A state or a circumstance as on the balance sheet date, the financial implication of which are known by the occurrence or non-occurrence of any uncertain future events. So this is nothing but an occurrence or non-occurrence of certain future events may lead to some changes in the balance sheet date. So this is called contingency. So here we have two contingencies: contingent losses and contingent gains. So for the purpose of disclosure, we have to provide for all possible contingent losses. As we all know, this is the fundamental principle of accounting policy. That is, we have to provide for all possible losses, but not for any future possible gains. So we have to disclose contingent losses, but not contingent gains. So that is all about contingency. So the next thing is events occurring after the balance sheet date. So what are these events? These are those events that takes place after the date of balance sheet. After the date of balance sheet and before the date on which the financial statements are approved by the board of directors. So if such events occur, then what is the next step? So the next step is, if such events occur, whether to adjust assets and liabilities on the balance sheet date. So the assets and liabilities are to be adjusted in certain cases, and there is no requirement of disclosure at all in certain cases. So what are they? So if there is any material impact on that event, then we have to adjust assets and liabilities of such events that takes place after the balance sheet date. If there is no material impact, then no disclosure is required. But however, in certain case, there is mandatory disclosure. So in what case such mandatory disclosure is necessary? If the statute is requiring certain things. In such case, mandatory disclosure of things in balance sheet date is required. So now we have come to the final topic, that is disclosure requirement. So let's discuss what are the things that is to be disclosed in case of accounting standard 4, which includes contingencies or events which significantly impact the financial position of an enterprise. If the enterprise does not provide for a contingent loss, the nature and the estimate of financial impact of such a loss that is declared in the financial statement in the form of notes. That is, if a contingent loss is not disclosed and which is disclosed in the notes instead of financial statement, and provided the probability of such loss is not removed. Further, if the enterprise cannot make a reliable estimate of a financial impact of such loss, such a fact should be disclosed in the financial statement as well. And third, there are events that take place after the balance sheet date and are declared in the report of approving authority. The information regarding such events include their nature, an estimate of their financial impact, or a statement specifying that such an estimate cannot be made should also be disclosed. The third point is nothing but if there is event that occur after the balance sheet date, as we have discussed earlier, then such events should have to be specifically mentioned in the financial statement That is what the third point says. So this is all about the disclosure requirement. So I think we have come to the conclusion of Accounting Standard 4, contingencies and events occurring after the balance sheet date. Thanks for watching. May God bless you.